Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Here's another makeup look using the NYX Ultimate Palette. I love this palette, you can do so much with it. Here's a blue lime color that I used. It was very spring look-like and fun, vibrant. I loved it very much, but here we go. This is the palette, all these colors. And here we go. So first I'm packing on a light baby blue color and diffusing it on the sides, bringing it out on the corner of my eye, on the outer corner, to give it that wing look. Very pretty blue. Pack it on with a flat brush and bringing it out in the outer corner of my eye. And right there, I grabbed the lime green color and put it on the top part above the blue. Let's see, light lime green. And bringing it out on the outer corner of my eye as well. Yeah. Putting some more on, just to make it pop some more. And now I get the blue, dark blue, and a little bit of light blue shimmer on top of that on my lid. I like how these two colors came together. So pack on the blue and the shimmer blue. So fun. And right here in the inner corner, I'm popping like a lighter shimmery silver color. And on top of, underneath my brows, I put like a powder, like the color of my skin, just to make sure it's diffused and blended. Right here I put a little bit more of the lime green just to make it pop some more. I just felt like it needed more lime. And blending it all on the top section. I feel like the lime needed more shadow just so it can pop. Right here I'm using the L'Oreal mascara, voluminous mascara in black. I had to sip on my coffee. And here's the finished look. I love this look, it's really cute. Pulled up my hair and just put on some earrings. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, subscribe and like my video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you next time.